KonMari folding part 2. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Power Skills. Today we will be learning KonMari folding with jeans, skirts and shorts based on Marie Kondo. First we're going to do the shorts. So if you take the shorts, you lay it flat on your table or wherever you're doing it, and you take the closest side to you into a half and then fold it again a bit in a third, this. Then you take from the weaker side a third and a third, and should be able to sand it like that. Now we're going to do the skirt. Take the skirt, you do third and a third, then from the weaker side again you do third and then a third again. And once again you should be able to stand it. Now with the jeans, you open it up, you lay it on a table, then you fold it away from you, and you take this bit and you fold it in properly, like a big bit like that. And from the weaker side you do a third and you do a third, then you do a half, then you should be able to stand it like that. Now you can put them all standing next to each other in your closet. Thank you for watching my channel Power Skills. Hope you like it. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Oh yeah, and remember to watch part 1 if you haven't seen it yet, and keep an eye on part 3 coming soon. Bye.